I will give you a brief demo of how to use the CasebookConnect and its associated study books with the library. For today's example, we will start with the Civil Procedure course book by Glannon. If you're in your CasebookConnect library, you should see it available at your disposal there. We'll click on it. You're then transferred to your actual book, which in this case goes to the last place I was at, which is Chapter 3, Diversity. You may find a different experience. Yours will probably open up to the table of contents in it if you've never opened this before. At the top, you see you have Dashboard, Read, Study, Insights, and Resources. If we go to Study, it will take you to some study information that's relevant to the chapter you're currently in. So we're seeing a diversity jurisdiction at this point. There's 24 questions. If we expand that, we can see the different categories of study that's available. You can watch a video, read an explanation. There are practice, multiple choice, flashcards, short answer, and issue spotting. Please understand, as it mentions here, these are just excerpts taken from study aids. It's not the complete study aid. So you may do this and find it helpful, but if you need additional information that you want, I'll show you, for example, if you click into one of these, it starts asking you questions. At the top, it tells you what study aid they've pulled this from. This is not all of the content available on that, it's just some. And it's confusing because if you click on that link, you may think it's going to take you to the study aid, but it's not connected to our study aids. It takes you to Aspen Publishing, where it's trying to get you to purchase a copy of that. Of course, we don't want you to do that if we already have it. So what you'd want to do is note what study aid this is. This is Glannon's Guide to Civil Procedure. You'd want to then go to the Law Library webpage, which I have here open now for you to see. Go under the bottom where it says Find eBook Study Guides. And there's where you can locate the Aspen Learning Library. You'll need to go into here. You don't have to log in, but if you do, it will have a personal experience and keep track of your content and notes and etc. But you can just search right here. We're going to find the Glannon Civil Procedure. Glannon Guide to Civil Procedure. We're going to click on it. And it's that top one there, the 4th edition. Here you can read online or read offline, however experience you'd want. But you can go in there and find the section that dealt with diversity and have a fuller experience on your study. So if you have any questions, be sure to contact the library. We're here to help you with that. You'll have different experience with different study aids, but just keep in mind when you're in the CasebookConnect, pay attention to where it's pulling it from. Either write it down or go over there and click in to find more explanation, but understand that that connection itself is not taking you to our study aids. You need to go separately to the library to find those.